Hello, good morning. It's me, the pastor's wife, Jennifer. Pastor's wife print, or pastor wife prints on eBay. Not eBay, Etsy. Ugh. Okay. It's one of those mornings. And I wanted to show you one of my newest printables and how you can use it on like big dictionary pages or book pages even. There's a bunch of these flying things, butterflies, dragonflies, bees, and then there's bigger ones too. I was just going to give you an example here of some small ones, and you could just either tear them out like this after you do that, or you can print them out on white paper and tea dye them, or you can print them out on white paper, color them in with some pretty color pens or pencils. There's lots of things you can do. So you can do like this and then just glue it into a journal. So check me out on Etsy and play around with these. They're so much fun. See you later. Bye bye.